Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to our drive along Yonge Street in Toronto, Ontario, one of the most iconic and historically rich streets in Canada. Our journey begins at Queen's Quay, a vibrant waterfront area that has transformed from its industrial past into a bustling hub of activity. Here, you can enjoy stunning views of Lake Ontario and the Toronto Islands, making it a perfect spot for a leisurely stroll or a relaxing day by the water. As we start our drive north on Yonge Street, you'll notice the dynamic mix of modern skyscrapers and historic buildings that define Toronto's skyline. Yonge Street, often considered the longest street in the world, was originally a trail used by Indigenous peoples and later became a key route for European settlers in the 18th century. As we approach the downtown core, you'll notice the iconic CN Tower, a symbol of Toronto's innovation and architectural prowess. Standing at 553 meters, it was once the tallest freestanding structure in the world and remains a must-visit attraction for its breathtaking views of the city. Continuing our journey, we arrive at the intersection of Yonge and Dundas, a major transit hub and a bustling center of activity. Here, you'll find the Eaton Centre, one of the largest shopping malls in North America, offering a wide range of retail options. This area is always buzzing with energy, thanks to its proximity to major attractions, theaters, and entertainment venues. Finally, we reach Bloor Street, a major east-west thoroughfare that marks the end of our journey. Thank you for joining us on this journey along Yonge Street, a street that truly embodies the spirit and diversity of Toronto. Thanks for watching!